Namaste everyone, I'm Vedika from Simply Hindi, and in today's video we're going to clear one of the biggest confusions in Hindi, the difference between unke, unhe, unhone, unse and uske. If you've ever got stuck thinking why are there so many words for he and she in Hindi, then in this video you will learn by the end of it what each word means with simple examples that you will never forget. Right? So first let's understand the base word, which is wo, which means he, she or that person depending upon the context. Now, when we talk about that person or to that person, the word wo changes into forms like uske, unke, unhe, unhone and unse. Think of them as different cases of the same word. Let's go one by one. So the first word is uske or unke. It shows possession, belonging. So they show possession like his, her or their. Uske, of that person, singular. Unke, of those people, plural or respectful singular. Examples, उसके पास एक गाड़ी है. He or she has a car. उनके पास एक बड़ा घर है. They have a big house. Or he has a big house, respectful. So whenever you mean his, her or their, use उसके और उनके depending upon the number or respect. Second word, उन्हें, to that person. So he or she is the object of the action. Unhe means to them or to him or her respectfully. It's used when the person is the receiver of the action. Okay, so examples, मुझे उन्हें मिलना है, I want to meet them. और मैं उन्हें phone करूँगी, I will call him or her. So तुम उन्हें gift दोगे, will you give them a gift? It is like that. So whenever the action is towards someone, use उन्हें. Okay, third word, उन्होंने. Subject, the doer of the action, but respectful. This one is very important. Unhone is used when they or he or she respectful is doing the action. Let's look at a few examples. उन्होंने खाना बनाया. They cooked food. और उन्होंने मुझे फ़ोन किया. He or she respectful called me. उन्होंने कहा था कि वो आएंगे. They said that they will come. Okay. And pro tip, whenever you want to say they did something or he or she did something, with respect, use unhone. It's in the past. Fourth word, unse. From them, with them, than them. Unse means from them, with them, than them, depending upon the verb. So examples. मैं उनसे बात नहीं करूँगी. I'm not talking to them. मुझे उनसे सीखना है. I want to learn from them. मैं उनसे छोटी हूँ. I'm younger than them. Okay, so unse is used when there is interaction, comparison or something is coming from that person. Let's quickly come to uske. Remember, uske is singular and unke is either plural or respectful. Examples, उसके दोस्त अच्छे हैं. His or her friends are nice. उनके दोस्त अच्छे हैं. Their friends are nice. Okay, so now you know exactly when to use unke, unhe, unhone, unse and uske. If you found this video useful, like this video and comment below which one used to confuse you the most. And if you're learning Hindi step by step, subscribe to Simply Hindi, where we make Hindi simple, fun and practical. See you in the next video. Dhanyavad.